Hey you guys, I am back and I am making for part two. I'm making the refresh video. If you didn't see part one, I made the Pretty Kitty soap. So watch that one first. So like I said, it is like 3:30 in the morning, and I'm making this. I'm getting sleepy, and my face is oily because I put a lot. I don't really put a lot of oil on my face, but tonight I accidentally did. But anyway. So now I'm making the refreshing soap. So right now this color is going to be green. So I'm going to add the colors to it. Like I said, I get the color. These are some crafted choice colors. These are some neon bright green soap. I went on ahead and cut up the soap and put it in and melted this one to save you you guys some time. It look like mint green right there. But I want it to be green. Because this ain't mint. See, it's turning green. But if these get, put all this in here so sorry to cut it and put the soap up. Yeah, it's gonna be like a minty green. I want it to be a darker green, but not giving me what I want. So right now it's okay. But this one is the scented soap. So like I said, I talked about the benefits of these soaps in the first one, so you have to watch the first part. But like I said, I do love my Yoni soaps, and like they are good to me. Like I said, using a bar soap at the dollar store, it just doesn't do it like these. And I have never gone back. I never went back. Once I got this, I never went back. This looked like it went from mint to look like pistachio um ice cream color. So this is what this look like. But I have this melted, and I'm gonna let it cool down some. Yeah. So like I said, with this one is the scented. So I use, this is my oil. I talked about this in the first video, so please watch the first video. Oh shoot, my bad. Please watch the first video to know the benefits and what all in that. And this is what I use in my Yoni. I got these from Bremer Berry. This is the lemon, lime, and orange essential oil. So this soap, the refreshing soap, it does have a scent to it, but it is not a that kind of scent. It has a like a light scent. So I don't want nobody to like, oh, it smells so good. Like, it does not have a fragrance scent. It has a light scent, and each one of these provides a benefit. So if you want to know the difference between an essential oil and a fragrance oil, you could just Google it, and it will tell you the difference between them. But fragrance oil is just basically for the smell, for the fragrance, and essential oil is, it provides benefits for their use. So right now I'm just storing. I don't know why I'm still storing this, but I'm waiting for them to let it cool down. So I had to put, what makes this a Yoni soap is when I add my oil into it. That's what makes it a Yoni soap. I do like the soap because of the simple fact that it is I'm getting sleepy, y'all. I do like this soap because really, honestly, like I tell y'all in the cutting video, that if you don't believe me, try any soap. You don't have to try my soap. Try any other soap. You will notice the difference. Like I said, I talked to plenty of women who use Dove, and it wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. It wasn't giving what it's supposed to be giving. You know, it's a good body soap. But you can use this soap all over too. My sister used it and she has dry skin, and she said it's way better. So yeah. Um, let's see. With this soap, I'm not gonna put the I'm trying to get this stuff. With this soap, I'm not gonna put the rose on there. I'm just gonna put this on here because I don't want that pink on top of it. It's not gonna look right. And this is the orange one. Should I? Nah. This is the orange and it has a refreshing scent, so I don't want it to smell like roses. So while this cool down, you're supposed to add the essential oil and all that to a certain temperature. But I'm just gonna wait till mine cool down some, and then I'm gonna add it. So I'll be right back, you guys. So we're gonna pour this. Gonna make sure. So while we got this in here, I think I'm gonna add this much. I'm about to get ready to melt the white one because this is like I said, this is gonna be a orange, green, and a white one. So I'm about to melt the white one, and then yeah, I kind of want this one to have a more swirl effect. I don't think the Pretty Kitty is, but I do want this one to refer the kind of have the swirl effect. So I'll be back. Okay, so we I need to move this. Wait, I'm just gonna do it like this. So we're on to the next color, which is orange. I already did the white. Put in the oil and everything. So let's see. This is my first time actually using the neon green and the neon orange. So I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. Cause I always buy the liquid orange. So I think I did too much orange though. I cut too much orange. These neon be looking more pastel. I was about to pour this in here, but it's not even time. It's hot enough. You want it to be hot enough. Because I always say about cool down, and with the block, it needs to be hot when you get it out the microwave, so that way it has time to melt the color wax. So it's alright. Let me see if I add one more with it. I kind of want a little darker than this, but it's alright. Really didn't make a difference. So yeah, so I'm gonna let this cool down, and while it's cooling down, I'm gonna add the oil and stuff, and then I'm gonna cut some more soap so I can do the sample size mode, and I'll be back. Alright, so I didn't show me doing the orange soap because I had literally forgot. I was in a rush, but I want to show y'all me doing this last little bit. I did melted all the soaps and add the colors. It's I just said add the oils and stuff in these two, but I already did with this one. So it's basically the same routine. I'm going to add the green. So I'm gonna mix the other ones up, and then I'm gonna add it, and I'll be right back as I go. Okay, now I'm about to add the white. And so I'm about to add the orange next. I'm sorry if this everywhere, but okay. So that is all of the soap that is going to be available. I do have extra soap left over, so like I said, if it, hopefully it's be enough for a mold, but y'all will not know until you see part 3. So I'm going to add my air conditioner came on. So I'm going to add the other stuff on top, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it look like in part 3, because I'm gonna go and wrap this up for the night. But yeah, this is it. This is how the other soap did came out though. You can basically only see the white and the orange on the top, but we'll see. This is more like you can see all colors. So yeah. So so yeah, you guys, I'm finna go wrap up part 2 and catch me in part 3, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.